Question: Animal belonging to phylum Chordata shows answer A. Bilateral symmetry, trypoblastic and phylum. B. Organism system level of organization, and C. Closed circulatory system. Next question: Mammals are mostly answer viviparous. Next question: Red algae are red due to the presence of pigment. Answer are pyrethrin. Next question: the umbrella shape and free swimming for the coelatrate reproduced by sexual reproduction is answer Medusa. Next question: the pistil in angiosperm is made up of answer ovary, stigma, and style. Next question: Urochordata and Cephalochordata are referred as answer protochordates. Next question: oviparous mammals is answer Ornithorhynchus. Question: metagenesis is shown by answer ovula. Next question: the cell of embryo sac are answer haploid. Next question: which are the feature of chordata? Answer notochord is present. CNS is dorsal, hollow, and single. Next question: Pharynx is foldable by gill shields, and fourth heart is ventral, and fifth a post anal is present. Next question: mammals are adapted for answer walking and running, climbing and bouldering, and swimming and flying. Next question: Dicotta belongs to answer brown algae. Next question: which is not true fish? Answer jellyfish is not a true fish. Next question: developed secondary nucleus in embryo sac of angiosperm is the product of answer fusion of two polar nuclei. Question: red algae are found in answer warm water. Next question: sessile cylindrical form of coelenterate reproduced by asexual reproduction is answer polyp. Next question: ovaria is the characteristic feature of answer angiosperm. Next question: in which Sphaela the notochord is present in tail of larva only? Answer Urochordata. Next question: select the incorrect matching. Answer ellipse with camel is incorrect match. Next question: algae found in the areas where no light penetrates is answer red algae. Next question: polyp with asexual say Medusa to sexual to polyp. The above cycle is shown by answer ovula. Next question: synergid and antipodals answer degenerate after fertilization. Question: in double fertilization answer male gametes fuses with egg cell to form zygote. Next question. Next point: male gametes fuses with diploid endosperm nucleus to produce triploid primary endosperm nucleus. Next question: notochord is ascended from head to tail region and is present throughout their life in answer Cephalochordata. Next question: correct matching. Answer kangaroo with Macrorhops, blue whale with Balanopetra, and monkey with Macaca. Next question: algae found in areas with abundant light as well as areas of great depth with no light is answer red algae. Next question: select from the following total number of organisms which contain the word sea in their common names. Answer: it is total 4 numbers.